Hi there, buddy. Welcome to this very quick video today. So to respond to the guy that asked me, or the person that asked me, how do I know if this car is a petrol or diesel? But basically, I mentioned that the fuel tank normally says, well, the filling cap here says diesel. Now, if you haven't got that, then it says diesel there. It's got a little tick. And he's got this other one that says gasoline petrol, which means no gasoline, no petrol. So, and then you have a D there for diesel, and that's pretty much one way of telling. And the other way of telling, it's obviously the car. It's a lot noisier than a petrol car. So, well, hope the video helps, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.